What's up, what's up, what's up? Welcome to my channel. Well, today I'm going to show you guys how I got my hair all curled up. Yeah, people are asking me the things them. I don't forget to get my hair curled up because, some hours I wear it more time. Yeah. So all I did was basically cure the ear them go back way. Just cure them natural cane go back way. And best to cane roll them small, because the smaller the cane roll is, the more curls you would get, or more smaller curls you would get. So yeah, best if you cane roll it small. So right now, as you can see, that is what I'm doing. I'm just finished carrying the back, carrying everything go back. Yeah, me and my big belly self. I try to catch a little piece of ear, right? So right here, so grab it. Yeah, good. Catch it. This is just like a simple hairstyle where probably you don't get the time to rush the hair, just want something quick and fast the next day to go to work, and just do something simple like this. You can style it as you like and do such and such and such with it. It normally lasts me like 3 days tops, really, depending on how we carry it. This is a product that I use. This is a leave-in condition treatment. I mostly use it when I'm styling my hair and such, to prevent split ends or breaking ends and all of these things. So, and this is really, really a nice product to use. So right now I'm gonna start dropping the things them on this little side and the edge and the ears up and all of these places in a little part them, rub it in. So rub it in. I have to use a lot really because my hair is like thick. When I say thick, yeah, with the hair thick, and I have one bag of body, so I always use quite a few amount. No bag of woolly still but reasonable amounts. If you don't need that much, you don't have to apply that much really though. But I can use whatever moisturizer that suits you or any leave-in treatment that suits you for your perfection. That's fine. Now we go chop in the like a moose. The moose. Yeah, just spray it all out. Spray. And just drop it in like when you're gonna shave. All the way down. And that is it. Yeah. Now this is the look that you would get. That little curl is somebody who are going. Oh yes, I did my makeup before. I didn't get to do a video of doing my makeup because I was like running late, so I didn't get to do the makeup tutorial. But I'll do that in the future when I get time again. Yeah, the little belly right there, so just push out them. What I'm with the belly still, The belly just push right out, so look on it. I need to go on a serious diet. Let's start it. I'm going to show you guys when I start my diet. Yeah, so just fluff up the little nice curly things them. Yep, see? Pull out the curls them. Style how you want to style it and do the things them. So today I have decided to wear a center part. I've never worn it in a center part really. No, I haven't. I normally like do the little cute touch up in the middle right there, or to the side, yeah. So this time I don't know what flying on my head. Probably the makeup. I don't feel like my cute. I love my cute still, yeah, but I decided to try the center part, which it's not bad. It's not bad. So I'm gonna start throw out the little edge, the little baby ear them, my little coolie baby ear them now. So I'm gonna tap it down with this nice little gel. This gel, it's not flaky, it is not stiff, it is just right. So just tap a little gel on the edges, not too much though, because I don't really want it to crazy me. Wait, because I don't know what's the road well open right now. So just have to do a little tap right there. So use my like a toothbrush. Who don't have a toothbrush to do them edge? Me I tell you, say when you're in a 2020, I'll 2020 I keep still. But if you don't have the toothbrush to do the edge them, nothing I want for you right now. Nothing now going for you. The toothbrush I do the thing. Yeah, just curly look coolie baby ear them. Me a coolie, you know. I say a girl look like coolie. Yeah, you. Just take a little time, do your edges, do them. You can do the side if you want to. You can do the little ketchup in the middle, and you know you can do any little style that suits you, that fits your face. I just tried to do. I was deciding on doing a center part today. So, no good, but I gotta spray up the little Alshane. Band the look nice ear. And this hairstyle, it looks so much like the wig itself. I have a curly, I don't remember the name of that curly wig. It just looks exactly like it. I'm like, wow, I spent so much money on that wig, and look at my hair. Hair one. I normally treat my hair like twice a week to try to make it stay healthy and such. Yeah. So this is the finishing of my hairdo. So you guys now see how I do what I do to get the curls. Yeah, you. Yeah, the belly I show. Yeah, you. Bye.